Today I need to use my Fireflame Grill Brush to clean my Giantex 3-in-1 vertical charcoal smoker. Now I just did some ribs on that yesterday, and I just want to come across and give it a light little brush. I'll show you this right here so you can see it. And I know that you won't be able to get up in there because I don't have a close-up cam set up, but the grill is completely cool. And I just run this across it a couple of times. Got down in between all of that. I like to flip it over and do the back side. Then once I've done both sides, then I'll come across and go crossways so that way I can get as much of that off. And look how shiny it's getting. The brush is just taking it all off. Now this is a spiral wound bristle brush, and when you use the bristle brushes, you should inspect your grill grate. And I like to even wipe it down with a wet paper towel or something afterwards, just in case. But I'll tell you, I've never had a problem with one of these spiral wound brushes. I have had a problem with some of the flat brushes where once they start to wear out, the bristles will just all come out all at once, but usually it's really noticeable. So this one here, I am very happy with. I've used this 16-inch for probably a couple of months, and it's still in great brand new condition.